The Daily Code Snippet. This past week we started to look at how to add video and audio. With HTML5 we have the video and audio elements, but you can also purchase services that will host your videos and audio content that will provide you with embed links to make the process easier. Just like with images, there are multiple video and audio formats. Video file formats consist of a video container and a video codec. The container holds the compressed video coded data alongside its audio coded data. The container also has the metadata about the file, and the video codec is the program that can decode the compressed data. The pairing of different container formats and codecs influence what programs and devices are compatible with the file. Common video container formats include AVI, MP4, and MOV, while common video codecs include H.264, MPEG-4, and DivX. The best video format depends on your need to balance video quality against the size of the video. Video is typically stored using lossy compression to keep file sizes small. We looked at several individual video file formats. However, we learned that for the modern web, WebM, MP4, M4V, and OGG are used more frequently because of their combination of quality and size. For audio file formats, sound quality is a key issue and is best preserved with lossless file formats. But from a web standpoint, we have to look at different file formats. These include MP3, M4A, and AAC. Because of cross-browser compatibility issues, the most flexible formats are MP3 and MP4. MP3 files are arguably the most popular audio format because quality and size can be adjusted with bitrate. To understand bitrate, we have to look at sample rate and bit depth. Sample rate is the number of times in a second that an audio sample is taken. These samples are being converted into digital data. Bit depth is the number of bits in each sample, or how rich the information is in each sample. The higher the sample rate and the bit depth, the higher the bit rate. While audiophiles will prefer high bit rates, they are not always better because you have to balance this against how your user will be consuming the audio. High bitrate files will be difficult to stream over the internet because of their size. The quality of the hardware of your listener makes a difference too. If they are using mass-market earbuds, headphones, or desktop speakers, it is likely they will not benefit from your use of a high bitrate file. Lossy compression formats that you will see used are MP3, AAC, and OGA. MP3 is larger but can be recorded at either a constant or variable bitrate to adjust its size. AAC is of good quality and can also be recorded at either a constant or variable bitrate, but is open source without the royalty fees associated with MP3. OGA files are also open source, use a variable bitrate for file size with good quality, but is less supported. We also looked at a variety of lossless compression and uncompressed formats like M4A, FLAC, PCM, WAV, and AIFF for audio that are likely too large for use on the web, but should be understood for use as storage or for other purposes. Over the years, the quality of lossy compression has improved such that most people really cannot tell the difference. Next week, we will start to look at how to add video and audio using the HTML5 elements. Presented by Designers Learn Code.